Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for you to be joining me today. It is a little vlog of my weekend away with Aiden. Yeah, we just came for a random weekend away and we came to Bulli, down south of Sydney, and we're just here for 2 nights, 3 days, and it's going to be so much fun. I can't wait. Anyway, hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you when it's done. Bye.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. It sound right, boys.
What are our chairs' names?
Sam and Sally.
Sam and Sally. This is where we're currently at. Yeah, it's quite big. Trying to get a speaker. We drove all this way just to get a speaker.
Yours.
Because you forgot yours.
You have one, don't you?
He has a big speaker and forgot it. So now we've got to go find one. We've been driving for ages. Anyway, it'll be worth it. I'm just packing away some food that we got from the grocery store. And yeah, so I'm just packing everything away so we've got some food to eat. Yeah, it was really good. Tonight we're making sausage sandwiches, so I got some bread. But yeah, just, you know, typical camp stuff. Yeah, it was kind of a bit of a mission driving to Wollongong just to get a speaker, but like so worth it. Aiden and I love to just sit and chill and listen to music and just do nothing and just chat. So it's, you know, it's a bit awkward silence if we don't have our music, and I don't want to just put it off of my computer or phone because that just doesn't sound as good. So I took a bit of a trip into Wollongong to grab a speaker, and I just got a little Sony one. So I'm very excited for that. But yeah, unloading all of my snackies. There isn't a fire here, so lucky I brought my little heater. But yeah, we're just gonna make some sausage sangers for dinner tonight. And yeah, it's amazing here. Like, it's so nice. And it's such a beautiful weekend. Like, the wind has died down, thank God, because it was like pounding our tent. And yeah, it was awesome. So I can't wait to share with you guys what we get up to. Just at the camp kitchen that's just been turned on to make our sausages, and then there's also this little like kitchen thing which is cute. Might come over and make a tea in the morning. Yeah, it's really good, this place. It was really cheap too. I love that. It's just the Bulai Tourist Park. I'll let you know how our sausage sandwiches go. Alpha. Oh. Oh, that's equal.
Declare love.
Who's more generous? Oh. Who's a messier room?
At the moment. This is my
Checking if the tent's falling over.
It's like a torch.
Yeah. We're a bit concerned about Sam and Sally in this wind, but they're okay, they're surviving. And just checking the pegs. It's like 21 k's per hour. It's just a little windy. It's not too bad, but yeah, it's not ideal when you're in a piece of material to sleep in. Just flapping around there. Good morning! Bedtime. We're about to watch A Quiet Place 1.
It's nowhere near bedtime. What are you talking about?
Well, it's
You
time.
got 2 Coronas.
We're lying
out,
in bed, so
and,
it's called
like,
bedtime. Anyway,
It's movie time.
it's movie time. Fine. So we're gonna watch A Quiet Place, and we've got a selection of desserts. We haven't really done anything this afternoon. We just went to the lookout and then came home and ate some dinner. And now, yeah, it's movie time and Corona time. Look at that goodness. And then we've got some lollies.
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 I like lolly.
crap. I need a proper shower and then wash my hair. Our tent is all packed up. It took us like half an hour to pack everything up, which was so good. But yeah, we're gonna go home now and shower and then go back to mine and clean. We're just gonna go take that to the bin. And that's everything. We're almost home. Did you enjoy it? I
loved it.
Loved it.
I loved it.
Would recommend. It was very fun.
Absolutely loved it.
Anyway, I'm gonna finish the video here. It's already 17 minutes long. Thanks for watching.